how to manually install a WordPress plugin. You can manually install a WordPress plugin in 3 easy steps. First, download the plugin, then upload it, and finally activate it. This video will show how to easily install any plugin that you have downloaded in WordPress manually. Log in to the admin dashboard and go to Plugins. Click Add New from the pop-out menu. Click the Upload Plugin button on the top left. Go to Choose File. Here is the zip file of the plugin I have downloaded. Click to select your file and click the Open button. Check that it shows the name of the zip file you selected. Click the Install Now button. It should show plugin installed successfully. Click the blue Activate button. The plugin will start working on your website. We hope you found this tutorial useful. Thank you for watching.